Hi Pisces, welcome to your reading for the 6th to the 12th of January 2019. Check your moon, Venus and rising if the messages don't resonate or if you'd like more insight. Giving away the Angel Tarot cards this month, so comment if you'd like to be a part of the giveaway. By doing so, you've entered, okay? So what's going on with Pisces for the 6th to the 12th of January? Page of Swords. Overall energy, alright, so the 8 of Swords, feeling stuck, stuck like in your headspace. And then the 10 of Pentacles, that's how you feel. Maybe some of you have strong feelings for someone, strong solid feelings, like grounded, but like you're seeing them as the moon, so you feel like they're hiding something, or maybe you just feel like they're mysterious. Let's see. They're wanting a brand new start, especially if you have fire in your chart. They want a new start with you, but you could be dealing with a fire sign or someone who has fire in their chart. Especially with the Queen of Wands here. The Queen of Cups, so they're wanting to offer you their love. You could be dealing with a water sign, a fellow water sign, Scorpio, Pisces, Cancer. They are wanting to offer you love. Their feelings are strong as well as yours, but we're not sure why you're feeling stuck yet. They're seeing you as a Queen of Wands, so maybe you're really busy these days, really active, or have a lot on your plate. Maybe you've been a little bit towards the aggressive side lately. Oh, we got Page of Wands as well. Maybe the communication was a bit aggressive at some points. Maybe there was an argument, some fiery energy. Got fire all here. So yeah, messages could have been, there could be some tension. That could be why you're feeling stuck. 6 of Pentacles as your outcome. Needing balance. Needing balance, maybe spreading your attention, or they are. Why is the 8 of Swords here? Yeah, let's see. Feeling stuck. Stuck in emotions. Maybe missing someone from the past, missing this person. Definitely at a standstill. Feeling like there's no change, there's no movement. Let's see, the 10 of Pentacles. Ooh, some of you have strong attachment to someone, to the point where without them you feel stressed, depressed. It could be vice versa. It could be them who feels really attached to you. But with the Devil, there's attachment, addiction, depression, The Moon, sorry. I saw the 7 of Pentacles, so maybe you're waiting for something. Why is the Moon here? Maybe you feel like there's something you don't know. Yeah. Something has got you down, making you feel like they're hiding something. Feel like there's something you don't know. Definitely feel like this person isn't making any moves towards you, or someone from the past. Feeling that way. Judgment. Right. Ace of Wands. They are wanting to, well, okay. They may be waiting for you to reach out. There hasn't been any communication. Maybe not since a fight. Wanting you to reach out. The Queen of Cups, let's see. Yeah, they are wanting to offer you love, but there's just some kind of instability here. Maybe something's going on in their personal life that's stopping them. Maybe it's addiction for some of you. But I'm feeling more that the devil is here because some of you are feeling attached to someone. Queen of Wands. Page of Swords is here twice. Alright, alright. Okay. 4 cards come out. With the Page of Swords. Wow. They are seeing you. Like you're seeing them as hiding something. They're seeing you as somewhat harsh. That you are also hiding something. Or manipulating something. They also, maybe you've blocked them. Or they've blocked you. But most of you have blocked this person. Because they're seeing you as the 7 of Wands as well. Page of Cups in reverse, immaturity, jealousy, emotional immaturity. Maybe you blocked them for like some reason, and they are seeing you this way now as like, you know, bossy, like you're also hiding something, and like you're emotionally immature. But remember, it could be vice versa, so you could be seeing them this way as well. So these cards just came out. Page of Wands. Yeah. It is, the whole situation is basically stuck in one place. There's no movement with the page. Another page is 6 of Swords in reverse. And, you know, there's no cooperating here. Not much cooperation going on. 6 of Pentacles. Two Pentacles in the outcome. Yeah. Someone may open up. Someone may become tired of waiting, and someone will open up. Because you guys are going to miss each other. There's going to be balance, you know, where one of you realizes, or both of you realize, that you can talk about the situation because there are feelings there, you miss each other. You know, there will be a time where someone opens up finally, maybe with the truth. The Page of Swords is here twice, and that's all about, you know, the truth, telling the truth, no matter how harsh it is. So that could happen here. And that could bring balance to the situation. Right, messages for Pisces. flirts, extend your light-hearted energy towards others. Past life relationship, you've known each other before. Make the effort, great love is worth taking the steps you're guided to take. Finance and career, financial issues are a factor in your love life right now. Maybe some of you, I mean, there is money here with addiction and depression. Some of you may have financial issues. Could be a past life relationship. But remember, they are waiting for you to reach out, so maybe make the effort. One of you is going to make the effort, though. It could be them, it could be you. Let's see. The moon, again. Important psychic insight, events behind the scenes. Release fears that hold you back. This person may have fears moving forward with you. Renewal. Review and evaluate a favorable assignment of the facts. Sorry, a favorable assessment of the facts. Time to move in a new direction. I don't know why I read it from afar. The habits. Alright. The lovers. You have major arcana here. Intimate relationship. Carefully weigh your decisions. Good health. And the sun. Another major arcana. Happy outcome. Brilliant new ideas that lead to success. Have confidence in yourself. So the outcome, I do feel like you're gonna reconcile. You're gonna come back together and, you know, talk and open up. But right now there just seems like a lot of secrets. Meditation brings answers. Wait. And it's up to you, and the situation will improve, see? It will. There's going to be some opening up. Somebody, whoever is holding back, is going to open up finally. Express these feelings that they've had for you for a long time with the Six of Cups, missing each other. Finally wanting to offer their love and open up to you. They may have some instability going on in their personal life. It could be financial issues, career issues. Something's holding them back, but they will open up. Someone will open up. The truth will come out with the Page of Swords twice. You won't be feeling stuck for very long, you know, but for right now it's at a standstill. It's definitely at a standstill, and you just need to wait. You're feeling stuck, but you gotta wait. Okay, there's timing has to do with this. At the right time, this person's gonna come around, and it's gonna be worth it. They may really make the effort when they do come back around, or when they do open up and tell you the truth, so that you feel like they're not hiding anything anymore. Okay, but it's gonna take time. Definitely gonna take time. The secrets may have you feeling like, you know, disappointed, feeling like you can't trust them, but it's just temporary. Don't be depressed with the Hermit in reverse. Could be dealing with Virgo or Capricorn as well. They could have that in their chart. What else? Yeah. Virgo, Capricorn, and definitely maybe one of the fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. But whatever their sign is, who cares? They will come around, they will open up, and you will feel unstuck, and you will feel safe. You know, feeling safe that you can trust them. It's just a little bump in the road for you guys for now. This is just for a week, so this week not so great, but maybe the week after. you'll have, you know, answers, right? Meditation brings answers too, keep that in mind. But things will maybe improve the following week, all right? So, Pisces, this is your reading for the 6th to the 12th of January 2019. Check your moon, Venus, and rising if the messages don't resonate or if you'd like more insight. Also, if you'd like to be a part of the giveaway for the Angel Tarot cards, just leave a comment letting me know. And by doing so, you've entered the competition. Like this video if you enjoyed. Subscribe. Subscribe if you haven't already. And thanks for watching.